I've got the concrete floor done with cardboard for the shed. Still lean towards the plastic card for the concrete floor. On the building, I've got the building more or less prototyped up, with the front face printed off in a 3D printer and also the internal trusses off in a 3D printer. Also printed off the windows and the feature above the windows. Then two designs, I've done a bigger brick and I've done a smaller brick. Personally, I'm leaning towards the smaller brick. I think that looks a bit more pleasing, a bit more like the photograph, the Google Maps. Also got a little bit of corrugated sheet. Roof, which I think looks not too bad. I also need to put in clear sheeting as well, and also some air ducts up here. On the whole, folks, it's not looking too bad, I think. If you'd like to leave a comment or subscribe, please feel free to do so. Thanks for watching. Bye.